Good day guys, so welcome sa Bisayani channel. So ang ituturo ko guys, so paano mag-upgrade ng Bluetooth speaker using this lead. Okay guys, so ipakita ko sa inyo guys. So okay guys. Yan guys. Yan, i-off natin yung light guys para makita nyo kung gumagana ba yung LED light. Yan guys. Yan, ito guys. Yan. 3 LED light yan guys. So buksan natin guys para makita nyo. Buksan natin guys.
They're losing faith in me. You tell yourself you believe that in every feat it takes a heart to endure.
Yan guys, using this LED light. Ayan. Ganyan lang ang upgrade guys. So ayan, nilagyan lang natin ng LED light. Ayan. So ayan, play natin guys.
The pain and grief, having the hope to see the best that you can be. Follow your dreams.
Yan, pause natin guys. So subukan naman natin to guys. Okay guys. Press ko lang ito guys. Yan guys. So nakita nyo guys. Yan. Yan. Sa pag-upgrade ng Bluetooth speaker, lagyan lang natin ng LED light. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. So for more videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you guys. So guys, so ang paggawa nito guys, so ito lang ang kailangan natin. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong kailangan bilhin natin. So ipakita ko kung ang diagram din sa guys. So ito ang diagram guys. So ayan. So need ito guys. So Zener diode to guys. So 5 volt ang kailangan natin. So ito ang Zener diode guys. So ayan. So yung black guys, so yan ang ito negative. Ayan. Yan. Tapos small capacitor guys. So ito guys, 25 volt and 10 microfarad. Ito guys. So itong white band guys. So ito ang negative. So ito guys, itong small short legs. At ito namang long legs, ito yung positive. So ayan guys. So itong sign na to guys, so ito yung negative. So itong may white band, so ito yung negative. So next guys, so resistor. Ayan. Ito guys, resistor. So may kulay siya na brown, black, brown, then gold. So 100 ohm yan guys. Ito 100 ohms. So yan. So ito guys, so ito yung lead. Yan. Ito yung lead guys. So ito guys, so ito ang positive at ito ang negative. So ang negative guys, so itong short legs, at positive ito yung long legs. Ayan. Yan. Sa lead guys, so ito ang sa loob ng lead guys, so may lapad na ayan metal guys. So yan ang negative, at ito namang maliit na metal sa loob ng lead light, so ito yung positive. So yan, short legs yung negative at long legs yung positive. So yan lang ang kailangan nating bilhin guys. So yan. So sa Zener diode guys, so ito yung black band. Yan. So yan ang negative, yung black band, at positive naman dito. Okay. So yan ang kanyang diagram guys. So ganyan lang ang paghinang guys. So yan. So may ginagawa na ako dito guys. So yan, ito ang kanyang hitsura guys. Yan. Okay. So ayan guys. Okay, ito Zener diode guys. So dito, ayan, nakakonect siya sa ito red wire. Ayan, tapos black band negative papunta naman dito sa positive ng capacitor. Yan. Then papunta din sa positive ng lead. Ito naman guys sa black wire negative at resistor. Yan, tapos nakakonect sa negative ng capacitor. Yan, to may white band negative yan guys. So yan, tapos dito connect dito sa negative ng lead light. So ayan guys. Okay, so kung wala kayong PCB board, so pwede rin nyo ito ganitohin nyo na lang guys kung wala kayong PCB board. Yan, pero ako guys gumagamit ako ng PCB board. Yan, ginamitan ko siya guys. So pwede rin ito lang ang ganituhin yun lang guys. Pwede rin ito. Okay, so lagyan nyo na lang ng shrinkable tube para hindi sila mag dikit. Ayan, lagyan nyo na lang ng shrinkable tube. Ayan guys. So ayan, para hindi sila magdikit guys. Yan. Yan guys. Ayan. Okay, so ganyan lang guys kung wala kayong PCB board. Yan. Ayan, so saan natin i-connect? Ituturo ko rin guys. So tanggalin lang natin yung screw. Ayan ang ating Bluetooth speaker. So sa akin tinanggal ko na guys dito. Ayan. So ipakita ko sa inyo saan ko kinabit ang ito, ang red wire at black wire. So tanggalin lang natin guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Okay. Ang pag-connect guys, so ito yung okay. Ito guys. So saan natin i-connect guys yung ito guys, yung red wire. So hanapin lang natin guys sa speaker to guys. So dyan, dito natin i-connect sa speaker. So hanapin lang natin yung ito yung red wire, hanapin lang natin yung saan yung positive ng speaker. So red sa positive guys, connect natin sa positive. At itong black wire sa negative. So hanapin lang natin yung negative. So yan lang kasimple guys. So ihinang nyo lang guys. So ayan, connect nyo lang. Ayan. Ayan dito. Ayan. Ayan. Sa red positive, black negative. At dito naman sa kabila guys. So dalawang lead light tong kinonek ko. So dito isa lang. Ayan. Ayan dito dalawa. So ayan. Ayan guys. So ayan, red sa positive at black sa negative. Sa speaker to natin i-connect guys. Ayan, ganyan lang kasimple guys. Ayan. So ayan guys, so ganyan lang kadali sa pag-upgrade ng Bluetooth speaker. So thanks for watching. So for more videos guys, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.